One last place you could go would be Google Books. They scan really large previews of books and put them online for free in previews. So you can just type in Google Books and then click on Google Books right here. And then you can just type in American Revolution and you're going to be taken to a big list. Now, some of them will say no preview and some of them will have a preview button. If you just want to look at the books that you can look inside, which is a good thing to do, you can go up to this toolbar across the top and say that you don't want any books, that you only want the ones with the preview available. Then to read inside the book, you can either click on the title or click the word preview. Now for me, it is giving me the new version of Google Books. I'm not sure what your computer will pop up with, which means that for me, the book will come up here and then I can scroll through and look at the pages right here. To see this darkened text behind, I can click the X right here and it will take me so I can kind of look at the details about the book right here. So just know that that lives right there. There is a citation button. Let me see if I can remember where it lives. I just saw it the other day right here, create citation about this particular book. So if you use this book, you can select the MLA citation and then copy it and paste it wherever you need to go. Now you can narrow things down on the front screen if you wanted to go back and kind of look up American Revolution and women or American Revolution, whatever you're looking for. You can always do that at the top right up here and just add the term and whatever you kind of might look for. But there were a lot of great books on the American Revolution right here. Several pages. Don't just stop after the first page because there are a lot of books with great previews that are going to be able to help you.